A README file is a type of technical software documentation written in plain text that usually contains configuration, installation, and operating instructions, as well as other information such as features, known bugs, or contact information. This document might be by far the most important one when sharing a project with the rest of the world, as it will help everyone interested in using it understand how it works and what it does without having to look at a single line of code. Moreover, platforms such as GitHub or GitLab now automatically promote this file as a sort of a project's homepage, making it the first thing developers and end users will see. When writing a README file, the main focus is to keep it up to date, concise, up to the point, and structured. It should ideally be written in simple language so that anyone can understand it and contain all the necessary information for configuring, installing, running, and testing your application, which may also include screenshots and external links. A common way to add clarity to it is to use the Markdown syntax, which is a lightweight markup language used for creating formatted text using a simple text editor. That being said, let's start by creating a new readme.md file in the top-level directory, and within it, let's add a title and a description. Let's then add the prerequisite sections that includes the list of tools and softwares needed to run the project. Next, let's add an installation section with a step-by-step guide on how to download and set up the application. Once we've done that, let's add a configuration section that explains how to create the configuration files and what environment variables they should include. Since our application requires a database to run, let's also include a database section describing the command to launch the MySQL Docker container. Let's now add a usage section that explains how to run the application in the different deployment modes like development or production. Let's also include a section named tests to let developers know how the test files are organized and how to run them. And finally, let's add the link to the project's documentation, the list of maintainers, and the license.